From the National Weather Service in Raleigh, it's Nick Petro with your routine Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. Today's webinar and today's recording covers the period the 2nd of July through the 8th of July, including Independence Day. So let's head on through these slides here and see what we can expect for the holiday weekend. So here's the pattern, and you'll notice a lot of the green shading in the today's slide is mostly to our south. There's a little bit up here in North Carolina, even more south, less than North Carolina on Saturday. Basically, what that's saying is the weather pattern is supporting the shower activity mainly to our south. There's a boundary to our south. So that's going to be around that boundary that's where the shower and thunderstorm activity will be focused. Now, of course, with the humidity still in place, there's not really a major air mass change with that boundary to our south. So we could never rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm this time of year when you have the heat and humidity around. So we can't entirely rule that out, but just know that it will be drier today through Saturday compared to what it's been the past several days. So that'll be a little bit of break in the widespread coverage, or, well, not even widespread, but the scattered coverage we had the last couple of days. All right. That being the case, the main weather story through this upcoming weekend will be the heat, with heat index values reaching the lower to mid 90s each day and possibly upper 90s on Saturday. Remember, when it's hot like this, to seek shaded areas, take plenty of breaks, drink plenty of water if you have outdoor plans for this weekend. And then as we head into early next week, the pattern is going to become a little bit more favorable for afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. That boundary, or what's left of it's going to try to slip a little bit further northward. And again, with the humidity that we'll have around and the heat, we can never rule out scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Again, those rain chances will increase on Sunday and through the first half of next week. So you'll see the rain chances a little bit higher in the official forecast. And then temperatures, daytime temperatures and nighttime will be pretty close to normal next week still, which is, just kind of hot. We're in the midst of summer. So, every day it's going to be hot. So, even on days when we don't particularly highlight it, remember, you should always drink plenty of water, take plenty of breaks, and seek shaded areas as you can if you have outdoor plans any day in the summer. All right. So in terms of how much rain will actually fall, you'll notice that today, Friday and Saturday, there's not a whole lot of rain over the Carolinas, or at least North Carolina. And then as we head into early next week and starting Sunday, you can see a little bit more of a generous kind of painting there of the green shades. Basically, where it does rain the next several days, the amounts will be very light. And then when you add up 7 days worth of rain, most places will see less than an inch of rain. But places that see thunderstorms will see isolated higher amounts where thunderstorm downpours occur. So no major widespread rain maker. That's the point here. Nothing widespread in terms of rainfall makers. The rainfall makers will be thunderstorms. So, obviously, days in advance, we can't pinpoint exactly where those heavier downpours will occur. So that's why the generous shading of green there as we head through Sunday into early next week. All right. As we look at the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlooks for the next 7 days, you can see we're highlighted in general thunder today. Pretty much, no thunderstorm activity tomorrow. Saturday, general thunder, and then no severe weather risks that can be predicted at this point for Sunday through Thursday next week. So again, we can never rule out thunderstorms, in the summertime, daily, afternoon, and evening thunderstorms. Looking further down the road, the middle of the country is going to really bake next week. That's going to be the pattern, that the worst of the heat will be in the middle of the country. And we'll tend to be a little bit above normal, we won't be below normal. That's kind of the takeaway. And then in terms of rainfall, no major rain makers, and that's why there's highlighted there with a light shade of orange there for the precip on the right. Although just know that, where we do get our rain will be accounted the makers, that is, the rain makers will be these daily afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms that we can never rule out this time of year. All right. Looking at the tropics, the 5-day tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center says no new tropical cyclones are expected during the next 5 days. All right, so that wraps it up. Your Independence Day weekend is looking hot with basically a 20% chance or less of showers and thunderstorms. So the main takeaway is Independence Day is going to be the hottest day of the next 7. So if you do have outdoor plans, just remember to seek shaded areas, take plenty of breaks, drink plenty of water, and that'll be the main weather story this coming weekend. And again, we can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm, but know that it'll be drier today through Saturday, and then the risk for mainly afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms will increase again on Sunday, and we'll see more typical daily rain chances next week. Near normal temperatures next week, next work week, and as I mentioned, the tropics are quiet for now. So that wraps it up for today's Thursday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. Again, thanks for joining us if you've watching it on YouTube after the fact, or thanks to those who join us in real time.